All right, class. Today we're going to be learning about Le Chatelier's principle. Make sure to pay attention because this is definitely going to be on the exam. So if we take any reaction that's equilibrium, say A plus B goes to C plus D, we have some sort of equilibrium expression where K, the equilibrium constant, is equal to the concentration of the products over the reactants at equilibrium, which is in this case equal to A times B raised to the respective stoichiometric coefficients over C times D raised to their respective stoichiometric coefficients. Now, the thing about this is that K is a constant, which means the equilibrium expression must be equal to K. And so what's going to happen to the reactants is that